Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. It's Luke here from pcommando cards. Today on the channel, I'm excited to say we are going to be opening a box of Prizm Basketball. We have a mega box here. And we are looking for loads of great stuff inside this. We've got 10 cards per pack. 6 packs per box, so we've got 60 cards to get through here. We have 14 mega box exclusive red ice prisms. We are also guaranteed, I think, per box on average anyway, 4 silver prisms as well, and also a chance at some autographs and penmanship and rookie penmanship autographs. So super excited to be opening this on the channel for you today, and so let's get on with the video. Yeah, so Panini Prizm Basketball 2020-21. So obviously the main hits we are going to be looking in this box are of Lamelo Ball is the #1 rookie we're looking for, followed after that probably by Anthony Edwards, and then probably the likes of James Wiseman, Tyrese Halliburton, and then there's a handful of others that probably show good potential as well. Personally, I think Cole Anthony is one. He's started this season off quite strongly as well, it looks like. So I certainly think he's one with good potential. There's other ones, you've got some of the guys like quite clear as it at New York Knicks, Tyrese Maxey, and a handful of others. So plenty of decent rookies to be looking for. And so in the box, like we say, we're getting the 14 mega box exclusive red ice prisms per box on average, 4 silver prisms. So the other cards that we will be looking for in this are all your different insert sets. What says the rookie penmanship, the penmanship signatures, obviously nice, different parallels of them. They come in silvers, red ices. And then you're going to get your instant impacts also in the green. They come emergent, USA Basketball, dominance. I'll put that to the camera a bit better. We see that there. Got the dominance there, sophomore stars, and on average we're going to get non-base cards approximately 4 in every pack. So that's going to be 4 in every pack, 6 packs. We're talking 24 non-base cards then. It is a large base set in the Prizm, 300 card base set. So it can be a tough break, Prizm, but it can also be a very, very nice break of obviously as well if you hit some nice rookies like a Lamelo. A Lamelo cracked red ice, would obviously be absolutely awesome. So yeah, let's get this open and let's bring me the fire. Come on. Tear our way into the box. So here we go then. We have the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 nice thick packs, 10 cards in each of those packs there. Just gonna line those packs. I'm going to put the box off to the side. I'll just make sure I've got some sleeves ready. Always going to want your sleeves and your supplies, top loaders, etc. ready. I've got my bag of sleeves. I've got my pack of top loaders. Because yeah, Prizm, really nice cards, some right nice hits in these. To the back of the packs, don't know if it's any different to the box there. No, it's not telling us the difference. Anyway, okay folks, yeah, so it would be great, guys, if you could drop a wee like on the video if you've made it in this far, and also please feel free to subscribe to the channel. Hoping to keep updating the channel regularly with lots of new content all the time. Doing a lot of exciting box breaks and group breaks coming up soon as well. So yeah, subscribe to the channel, hit on those notifications, and make sure to not miss all the upcoming content. Anyway folks, right, 10 cards a pack, here we go. First pack, come on. We are going to have a Buddy Hill, Chris Paul, Nerlens Noel. Okay, we got a Dennis Rodman. It's interesting the base set obviously having. We're gonna get our first red ice after this. Base set having some legend players in it as well. Okay, cracked ice, non-rookie, Tony Snell. Okay, that's not the greatest. Nice. Rudy Gay. I think we've got our first silver coming up next, folks. Chicago Bulls, Chris Dunn. And we've got a Kemba Walker on the dominance insert there. And our first rookie of the box is going to be a Cassius Winston. And we've got a Brian Forbes. Okay, guys. First rookie. I don't know, I'd say that first pack, we pretty much say that too, I think. It wasn't too great. Got Chris Dunn silver, Tony Snell and Rudy Gay on the red ice, and a Cassius Winston rookie. We did get Dennis Rodman. Okay, hoping for a bit better. Hopefully this box picks up. These boxes are well over 100 quid a pop, guys, so obviously we are looking for a couple of nice rookie hits to recoup the value on the box. We've got Kristaps Porzingis, Jrue Holiday. We've got a Jamal Murray. We have a Duncan Robinson of the Heat. And our first red ice of this pack is going to be a Kendrick Nunn, second year. Let's stop, have a wee look here. The centering, you can see the centering is off. Left to right on that there. Only is it? The centering looks pretty good on the Chris Dunn there. I don't know if there's a couple of factory lines on that Chris Dunn there. If you see, anyway, yeah, print quality maybe in question, some cards. Okay, Marvin Bagley the second, still not got a rookie on the red ice. I think we're gonna get a rookie on the silver, folks. is that? Jamius Ramsey. Oh my goodness. Saw that. I thought we were getting a Tyrese Silver. Jamius Ramsey, folks. Okay, we've got a Kai Lewis Jr. on the Emergent. And we got a Theo Maladon on the Rookie. And a James Johnson to finish the pack. Oh, guys. Thought we had a Tyrese Halliburton Silver, but no. Okay, guys. On to the third pack now. Not had the best of it so far, maybe. There's a nice Luka. We'll take a Luka on top there. We'll definitely take it. Always take a Luka. Such a popular player, Luka Doncic, that his cards, if you put them up for sale on eBay, they never fail to sell. And that's off center there, but I dare say it won't matter. It won't matter. Someone will buy it. It won't matter at all. Tristan Thompson. Bam Adebayo. We got a Dwayne Wade to add to our Rodman on the Legends. Let's put him with Rodman there. We got a Cameron Johnson second year card on the red ice. Right, come on, give us a rookie on the red ice. We got a rookie on the red ice, folks. It's a Skylar Mays. Oh, wow. Yeah. Sorry, Skylar. Aaron Baines is a silver. We have a Precious on the Instant Impact. Precious rookie. And we have a DeMar Carroll. And yeah, we've got another Jamius Ramsey. Just the normal base rookie this time. Wow. Okay, second half, 3 packs left. Second half of the box. Really looking for things to pick up here, guys. We can only hope that it does. Yeah, it'd be nice to get a decent-ish, at least, rookie on the red ice or a silver, of course. They're going to hold more value than just the base rookies. We've got Gordon Hayward and DeAndre Ayton, DeJounte Murray. We've got a Giannis. We'll take a Giannis. Similar to Luke, what I was saying about Luke earlier. Folk are always, oh yes, very nice. Yes, we will take a Ja Morant on the red ice, baby. Get a crowd cheer for the Ja. Very nice. Big fan of Ja myself. Ja and Zion from the previous year. Oh, the rookie year was the previous year. Just looking there, the centering looks pretty nice on that. Certainly left to right it does. Top to bottom maybe slightly out, but yeah, jeez. Tough to grade these Prizm cards can be with the design up to the border on the back. That is looking pretty nice. Ja Morant second year on the red ice. Yeah, that's the best card so far for me. We'll take that Giannis as well. yeah, we will grab the top loader for the jar there. I mean, that very much has grading potential, I think. I think I'll add that to my pile to take a kind of closer inspection too and see if it's worthwhile sending away for grading. Quite possible I might send that one away to MGC. That was like a Ja Morant rookie. I'd be inclined to go PSA or something, but anyway. Very nice. Okay, so we have, I think we've got a Red Ice rookie, first Red Ice rookie coming up here. So we've got a Blake Griffin on the Red Ice. And then behind that, we do indeed have a rookie. It is a Desmond Bane on the Red Ice. Desmond Bane rookie on the Red Ice. Horribly off-centered left right there, I can see. Thanks, Panini. And we have a Dwayne Wade on the USA Basketball insert. Quite a nice card. Bobby Portis on the next. And oh, there he is. Hello. We have a Lamelo Ball, folks. Very nice. The centering's looking very nice on that. It really is. What we think? Gradable. Check that back side. Certainly worth it. Nothing obvious jumping out, except for some off-centering on the back side. Potential off-centering on the back side there, but certainly on the front side, the centering looks pretty sound. On the Lamelo Ball, we could have a wee sound effect for the Lamelo there. Okay, well, things certainly picked up all right in that pack, I'm pleased to say. It was looking a bit ropey for well over 100 quid on the first half of the box, but the Red Ice Ja Morant followed by the Lamelo Ball out the same pack there, very nice. Both looking with decent kind of grading potential, so yeah, happy with that. Okay, so 2 packs left, guys. Drop us a comment down below, guys, if you want. Let us know what you think of the Prizm Basketball this year and what you think of the different formats as well, like the cello packs, or fat packs, whatever you want to call them, or whether you prefer hanger boxes, blaster boxes, or whether it's the mega boxes that you prefer yourself, or even if you're into the hobby boxes. Let us know in the comments. I think possibly we'll see how these last 2 packs go, but possibly the mega boxes are a decent kind of format. I think just in terms of the cost, I'm trying to think rough costs per card and stuff. You're easily like paying over 3 quid, if not best part of 4 quid per card out your blaster boxes and stuff easily. And whereas on the mega boxes, you're getting 60 cards, so I don't know, you're like $2.50 a card or something along those lines. The kind of eBay prices anyway of the megas. So yeah, you're not paying quite as much, probably maybe £1 per card less, I guess, compared to the blasters. Not sure with the hangers, and maybe similar. With the blasters, there may be 20 cards in the hangers instead of 24 or something in the blasters. Cello packs maybe provide slight bit more of value, 15 cards or something. But you'll pick them up for like half the price of a blaster box, more than half, like less than half the price of a blaster. So on the blasters are not bad value maybe, but yeah, I think the Mega maybe steals it the value wise. Again, Prizm, we know it can be a tough rip. Prizm doesn't go for you. It can be tough, but the likes of the Lamelo Balls, the red ices, and the decent rookies and stuff, they do, these command the I think we see a silver in this one. Yep. They do command the highest prices on the market generally, the Prizm cards. The most sought after set pretty much of the year. So yeah, if it does go for you, it can go for you all right. Okay, Tyus Jones, Pascal Siakam, we're gonna Larry Nance Jr., and then our red ice is gonna be Norman Powell, and then Royce O'Neal, the Jazz. Okay, so our silver, Jerami Grant. No, not much luck in that pack there. Really nicely scented Jerami Grant as well. Oh, there we go. We'll take a Zion on the dominance. Always take a Zion. One of my favourite players at the moment, Zion. Hoping that he can hit the ground running this season. He's not been playing due to injury, but I believe he's very close to return. So good to see Zion on the court again. Yeah, quite a nice card, the dominance. Maybe a slight bit of corner and wear edging on that back side there. Hard to tell. But yeah, pretty nice card that. Okay, Ricky Rubio, and our rookie is Tyrell Terry. I mean, they're pretty tight. Right, last pack. Come on, let's have it. Here we have a Malcolm Brogdon, Robert Williams III, Danny Green, and for a LeBron, I saw the Lakers there, and a Kevin Huerter, however you say it. Okay guys, I think we've got a silver again with 3 red ice in this pack, and we've got a rookie on the back as well. Oh, so come on, give us a rookie. Non-rookie, Miles Turner. Yeah, it's been a bit rough on the red ices, a lot of them. Marcus Morris Sr. And then on the red ice, non-rookie, Gwen Stott. Oh, we got a silver rookie here. Oh, Malachi Flynn of the Raptors. Yeah, wow. I saw the rookie emblem. I got a wee bit excited, and yeah, it wasn't that great, was it? Christian Wood, and our final rookie is going to be a Josh Green. Yeah, so folks, that is a Prizm Mega. Like I say, drop us a comment, let us know what you think. In terms of when it comes to, I'll sleeve up these rookies later on after the video. So yeah, let's. It was maybe wasn't the best of boxes, but you hit a Lamelo, you hit a Ja Morant red ice. You maybe can't complain too much. So cards of note from the box. I quite like the legend ones of Dwayne Wade, one of my favourite players from the past. So I'll take those. Dennis Rodman, again, another one of my favourite players from the past. So yeah, I'll take those. The base cards I know, Giannis and Luka we got. So I guess the cards I know, the nicest cards were probably, we got that nice Zion dominance there. Top load of that. So we got a Precious Achua on the Instant Impact, a Kyra Lewis Jr. on the Emergent. We got a Kemba Walker on the Dominance, and then our kind of base rookies were Josh Green, Tyrell Terry, Jamius Ramsey, Theo Maledon, and Cassius Winston. So I mean, bit of a, I don't know, bit of a disappointment on those, really. Nothing too great happening on those. So all your kind of parallels then, your silvers and your red ices. So I mean, this is where, I mean, Prizm can be tough, because what have we got here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's a rookie. 8. That's a rookie. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 non-rookies. 15 non-rookies if you include the jar. 15 non-rookies. And only 4 rookies. So yeah, you're only getting like, what's that, a quarter of the parallels are kind of rookies. That's probably pretty common on your Prizm. So anyway, sorry guys, back to the recap. So we got a LeGuent's Dort red ice, Marcus Morris Sr. We got a Miles Turner red ice, Jerami Grant silver, Royce O'Neal red ice, Norman Powell, Blake Griffin. Then we got an Aaron Baines and a Chris Dunn on the silver. Marvin Bagley III, Rudy Gay, Cameron Johnson, Tony Snell on the red ice, Anna Kendrick Nunn. And then you're talking your rookies. So on the red ice, we got Skylar Mays and we got Desmond Bain. We've got a Jamius Ramsey on the silver. We got an emergent rookie, Malachi Flynn on the silver. And then the 2 main hits of the box were your Ja Morant red ice, very nice. It's nice centering and everything. Very clean looking on the back. And we've got a very, certainly on the front side, it's a bit off-centered on the back, the Ja Morant. But certainly on the front side, it's looking pretty sharp. So yeah, happy with the Lamelo Ball. That is my first Lamelo Ball Prizm rookie that I've pulled this year. Plenty of Lamelo Balls in other sets, but not actually pulled a Prizm one. Although I haven't particularly opened too much Prizm really. But yeah, so pretty chuffed to get my first Lamelo, even if a lot of the rest of the box maybe wasn't that amazing, if we're being totally honest. Anyway, guys, drop us a like on the video. Feel free to subscribe to the channel. Hopefully come back at you very soon with more content, more box openings, etc. So I hope you've enjoyed this. I hope it's given you an insight into what you might expect from certainly a mega box of the Prizm anyway. And it might help make your mind up if you're thinking about whether to buy one for yourself or not. But anyway, folks, thanks for watching. I hope you've enjoyed it, and we'll see you next time.